Summer heat is soaring. It is above 100 Fahrenheit. These people are steaming some spray of water. Water is sprayed very regularly, maybe for controlling the temperature. And this bird is quiet, not showing any moods, is not moving. Don't move. If somebody ordered like that, it is not moving even the wing or a leg, not even turning the head to a side, but watching from the eye corner. We can look into the eye and we notice that that fellow is observing us. And even some small bird around is flying about its head. It is not turning its head. After 1 hour again, I visited his enclosure and same thing happening, but I saw some little movement in his movement of head and beak. That is the time of having some food, I think. The caretaker was showing up. Maybe in few minutes he is going to arrange a bowl of fish for this guy. Thank you. Please share, like and subscribe the channel.